Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell on Displate and make money using print-on-demand art. Whether you are a digital artist, designer, or even a beginner, this is a great way to turn your art into passive income. Let's get started. First of all, what is Displate? Displate is a print-on-demand platform that sells premium metal posters. As a creator, you upload your net artwork and display handles, printing, shippings, and customer service. You earn a commission for every sale, and they even handle product returns. Now go to display.com and scroll to the bottom to find the become an artist link or search for Displate. Then create a free artist by entering your email, setting up your profile, and agreeing to the terms. Add a profile picture and bio and social links, boost trust and visibility. Enter your email here. I will use a temporary mail for this tutorial. Wait a minute. Now I will copy the temporary mail from here. You can use your personal or business account, then paste it here and click sign up, then close. Now you are in. Refresh the page, then click join, again click sign up, enter your email again here, enter a strong password like that, and check the box, then click create an account. You can also use Google and Facebook account. Display recommends high quality, high resolution artwork. Minimum size is 4060 into 2850 pixels at 300 dpi. Use clean, detailed visuals. Anything from fan art, anime, nature, abstracts, gaming, or pop culture trends to do well. Make sure it's your original work or properly licensed. Once your account is ready, upload artwork. Upload in JPG format, then choose tags, categories, and add a title plus description. Go to my profile section. Now open a new tab and search for Displate Artist Profile or Artists. Then click the link. Then register as an artist. And now go to your profile and browse poster. Look like that. Your displayed artist shop is like your personal brand. Customize the banner, add collections like cyberpunk, animals, or space, and organize your artwork. The better your storefront looks, the more trust you will build with buyers. Don't just rely on displays traffic. Promote your store, share on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Make time lapse videos or mockups of your art on wells. Join Reddit communities or Discord servers in your niche. Display also lets you generate affiliate links so you earn extra commission when people buy through your links. Displayed artists earn 25% commission on each sale by default. You can increase that up to 41% if people buy through your affiliate links. Payments are made via PayPal or bank transfer, and you can cash out once you hit the threshold. So just create a artist account, click logout, or click register as an artist, then click login and follow the process. Upload consistently to stay relevant, focus on trending niches and seasonal designs. Use AI tools or mockup generators to visualize your art on real walls. Keep SEO in mind. Good tags and descriptions help you rank higher. Displayed may promote you if your work platforms well, so go for quality over quantity. And that's how you can start selling on Displayed and earn money with print on demand. It's simple, scalable, and a great way to build income as an artist or designer. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of art you want to sell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.